You spent real money. It looked premium online, the price felt like a steal, and you told yourself Costco does not sell junk. Then the tabletop bubbled. The drawer started shedding splinters. The legs went wobbly inside a year. Here is the truth. Nobody says out loud. The warehouse sells some of the best built furniture in America and some of the worst on the same aisle, under the same logo. Both sides today, and number one surprises everyone. Number 7. Sun Villa outdoor patio sets. Outdoor furniture is where most warehouses cut corners because they assume you will not notice until the second summer when the frame is rusting and the fabric is fading. Sun Villa is the exception. Every Sun Villa product at Costco with customer reviews rates above 4 stars, and prices range from around $480 to $3,500. That consistency is the signal. One brand, dozens of products, and the ratings hold. Most sets ship with their own fitted covers included, which is the detail that tells you the maker actually expects the furniture to survive the winter. And that matters, because sun and rain are what kill outdoor sets, and a maker who ships the cover is planning for year 3, not year 1. A buyer of the Havana 7-piece dining set called it well-made and durable, and praised the price for the quality. Outdoor pieces live or die on whether the frame and the fabric were built for weather. Sun Villas are. If you want a patio that still looks like a patio in 3 years, this is where you start. Number 6. The Circulon Premier Professional Cookware Set. This is the one people overlook because it is not exciting, and that is exactly why it belongs here. 10 pieces, 2 skillets, a sauté pan, 2 saucepans, a stock pot, and 4 lids for a fraction of what a department store charges. It carries a 4.8 star rating across more than 8,500 reviews. Let that number land. 8,000 reviews, and it still averages 4.8. The pans are hard anodized aluminum, not the thin pressed metal that warps the first time you crank the heat. They work on every cooktop, including induction. They go in the oven, and they go in the dishwasher. The handles have silicone grips, and the set is oven safe up to 400 degrees. One reviewer said they had used the set almost daily for nearly 2 years, across 2 moves and 2 different cooktops, and it still performed. Cookware is the quiet test of a kitchen. This set passes it. Number 5. Martin Furniture Home Office Desks. Remote work turned the home office from an afterthought into a room you actually live in, and most cheap desks were never built for that. Martin Furniture is. Of all their rated pieces at Costco, only a single one sits below 4 stars. The construction is the reason. Solid wood frames with a multi-layer veneer coating over the top give you a genuinely sturdy base and a finish that resists the dents and scratches a working desk takes. These are not flat-pack particle board boxes. One buyer of the Campton Executive Suite, whose husband builds cabinets and furniture for a living, said even he was impressed by the quality. When a craftsman is impressed by a warehouse desk, that is the review that counts. Yes, they run from around $2,000 up to $5,000, but this is the desk you stop replacing. Number 4. The Love Teak Bench. This is the sleeper of the entire list. An 18-inch teak bench, FSC, certified wood from responsibly managed forests joined with mortise and tenon joinery, the same technique used in furniture built to last generations. It holds a 4.8 star rating across more than 1,700 reviews. It arrives fully assembled, weighs about 13 pounds, and holds up to 300. There is no assembly and no hardware to strip, and because teak naturally shrugs off water, mold, and rot, it lasts where cheaper woods swell and split. Because teak is naturally water resistant, it works indoors, outdoors, or in a damp bathroom, and it will not rot or swell the way cheaper woods do. One owner called it rock solid, with no play between any of the joints. That phrase, no play in the joints, is the whole game. It is the difference between furniture that creaks loose in a year and furniture you hand down. For well under what a designer store charges, this is one of the most quietly perfect things Costco sells. Number 3. Thomasville fabric sectionals. A sofa is the most used piece of furniture you own, and it is where buying blind costs the most, because a bad one sags, breaks down, and turns uncomfortable within a couple of years. Thomasville is built for the long haul. Out of 48 rated products, only 3 fall below 4 stars. That is not luck. That is a manufacturing standard. And the range is wide, from a $300 ottoman up to a $2,000 sectional, so the quality holds at every price. The proof is in the long-term reviews. One owner, a year and a half in, described a large dog with sharp nails treating the sectional as a personal jungle gym, and the couch still holding up. Furniture reveals its quality slowly, which is why a review written months later matters more than the glowing one written on day one. Thomasville earns the late reviews. If you want a sectional, you are not reshopping in 3 years. This brand has the track record to back it. If this is the kind of honest breakdown you came here for, hit the like button and subscribe to Solid or Sold. The last item on the buy list is the one almost nobody expects. Number 2. Universal Broadmoor solid wood bedroom sets. Here is where this whole philosophy lives. Most bedroom furniture today, even at high prices, is particle board with a printed wood look, and it shows the moment a drawer takes weight. Universal Broadmoor builds with solid wood. The drawers use English or French dovetail joints, the construction you find in heirloom furniture and almost never at warehouse prices. The wood is often rubber wood, a sustainable hardwood harvested from retired rubber trees, dense and durable. One owner of the Charlie storage bed said the drawers were self-closing and did not feel flimsy. The wood was solid and the finish was great. Read the negative reviews and you find they are mostly about delivery scheduling, not the furniture itself, which tells you the pieces arrive sound. Solid wood and dovetail drawers at this price is genuinely rare. This is the bedroom set worth the splurge. Number 1. Costco's all-wood kitchen cabinets. This is the one almost nobody knows about, and it is the biggest hidden value in the entire warehouse. You are not buying a Costco brand here. You are buying from established cabinet vendors. Lines like Allure and Tuscan Hills sold through Costco's program. The construction embarrasses most of what the big box home stores sell at the same price. We are talking 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch furniture-grade plywood boxes, not the particle board that swells the second a pipe leaks under your sink. This is the entire solid wood versus particle board lesson in a single product. Same kitchen footprint, completely different lifespan. The drawers are solid wood with dovetail joints, the gold standard for durability. They come standard with soft close hinges and glides, often from Blum, the hardware brand serious kitchen builders specify by name. A kitchen flipper who has seen $50,000 custom builds and flat pack disasters alike said the Costco quality felt genuinely consistent. The price is not always lower than Home Depot, but the 10% Costco shop card rebate usually tips it. For a real wood kitchen at a warehouse price, nothing on this list beats it. Now we flip the list. 4. Costco home items that will let you down inside a year, and every single one fails for the same reason. The materials underneath the photo. Number 4 to avoid. The Thane end table. Online, it looks luxe, a sleek table with a gold inlay that photographs beautifully. In your living room, it is something else. It struggles to clear 3.9 stars, and the reviews tell you why. The gold inlay flakes off, in some cases within the first few weeks. One owner said flatly that the tabletop's gold design came off almost immediately. Others report the gold legs look obviously spray painted up close. Several also hit misaligned screw holes that turn assembly into a fight. This is the oldest trick in cheap furniture, a thin, decorative finish over a cheap base, styled to look expensive in a product photo and nowhere else. A finish that fails in weeks is not a finish. Skip it. Number 3, to avoid. The B-Star Audria Storage Unit. This one is the textbook particle board failure, and at nearly $600, it has no excuse. It sits around 3.7 stars, and the complaints form a clear pattern. The screws will not hold in the thin pressed wood sides. The inserts that anchor the drawer fronts pull straight out, so the facings either hang lopsided or fall off entirely. One owner put it bluntly, not up to Costco's usual standards. This is exactly what happens when fasteners meet compressed fiber instead of real wood. There is nothing to grip. Screws need solid wood or plywood to bite into. Drive them into pressed fiber and the joint was always going to let go. $600 is solid wood money. Do not spend it on a unit that comes apart at the screw holes. Number 2, to avoid. The Trivoli dining table. This one stings because the price suggests quality, around $1,800, and the photos look like a real investment piece. The surface tells a different story. It sits at 3.4 stars, with 30% of reviewers giving a single star. The recurring failure is the tabletop itself. One owner watched the surface start bubbling after just 5 uses. Another said the wood bubbles and stains from water, and after a single month, they returned it. A dining table's entire job is to survive daily use and the occasional spilled drink. A surface that bubbles in a month failed at the one thing it exists to do. A top built for daily use shrugs off a water ring. One that bubbles after 5 uses was never sealed for real life, which is exactly what these owners found. $1,800 buys a genuinely good table at Costco, just not this one. Number 1 to avoid, and this is the one I want you to remember. The Landon full bed, dresser, and nightstand set. It rates just 3.2 stars, and more than a quarter of all reviewers gave it a single star. This is not a cosmetic problem. It is a safety problem. The drawers shed splinters, and one parent described their daughter reaching in for her things and pulling her hand out with splinters under her nails. Worse, one buyer said the bed broke in their daughter's room within days of assembly. Another described the mattress collapsing to the floor. This is marketed as a children's bedroom set. A bed that fails in days, in a child's room, is not a value at any price. The low markup does not redeem it. Walk past this one. And now, the trick I promised you. The one that turns Costco's biggest weakness into your biggest advantage. Everything on the avoid list has one thing in common. It fails into the first year. The bubbling, the splinters, the drawer fronts falling off, the wobble, all of it shows up fast. And here is what most shoppers never connect. Costco's return policy has no time limit on furniture and home goods. It is called the risk-free 100% satisfaction guarantee, and for furniture, it means exactly what it says. No receipt needed, they pull it from your membership account. No deadline. People have returned couches that started sagging 2 years in and received a full refund. So here is the move. Before you buy, open the product's materials and care tab and read it. If it says solid wood, plywood, hardwood, or real teak, that is your green light. If it says engineered wood, veneer, or particle board, treat that as the warning it is. Then, when you do buy a borderline piece, treat the first year as a free durability test that the store is paying for. If it bubbles, splinters, wobbles, or sags, you take it back and you get every dollar returned, something no mall furniture store on earth will do for you. One caveat, and it matters. This is for genuine quality failures, not for using the store as free rental, and Costco has tightened enforcement on people who abuse it. And it does not cover everything. Custom and special order items, the made-to-measure closets, are the one category the guarantee will not save because they cannot be resold. So buy the solid wood, read the spec, and let the return policy be the warranty the furniture industry refuses to give you. So here is what we covered. 7. Costco home items genuinely worth your money. Sun Villa patio sets, Circulon cookware, Martin furniture desks, the Love Teak bench, Thomasville sectionals, Universal Broadmoor bedroom sets, and the hidden champion, Costco's all-wood kitchen cabinets. 4 that will fail you inside a year, every one of them on materials. The Thane end table, the Bestar Audrea storage unit, the Trivoli dining table, and the Landon bedroom set. And the one trick that matters most. Read the materials spec before you buy, and let Costco's no-limit return policy do the work the price tag never promised. If this saved you from one bad buy, subscribe to Solid or Sold. I'll see you in the next one.